Please like, subscribe. We're growing the channel. We're going to do a whole lot more racing coming up, do a whole lot more testing with the Kong ported blower, seeing what it runs in the quarter mile, eighth mile. Just stay tuned. We're also swapping LSAs onto dualies. It's going to be quite a ride here in the future. Alright, we are officially done and about to be heading out to LSX Unlimited, see Jeremy, to get this thing tuned. But me and him have a deal basically where he's booked out really far for tuning, so I just leave him the car, and if he has a cancellation or just has extra time, he can work it in that way. But I think he said it should be a week tops. So we finally just got out here to LSX Unlimited. There's Jeremy there in the background. What's up, Jeremy?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, so he's gonna have the car hopefully done maybe this week, he said, just waiting on an opening. So as soon as he gives me a shout, we'll be back out here to do all the videos on the dyno. All right, guys, it is officially dyno day. So here's the final results. This is an overlay of the stock blower versus the Kong blower. Whenever it was stock, it made 735 and 673 torque. Final results, 854 on the big end, 749 torque. That's just about as good as it gets for Kong Stage X blower. All right, so we just got the car off the dyno. We got the final results, 854, 749 foot-pounds of torque. I got the man, the myth, the legend himself here, Jeremy, the guy that tunes the car since the beginning.
You know, it's really cool to see, you know, changes from basically a bone stock car to what it's making now. You know, we kind of, you know, messed around with, you know, we thought we'd pick up a little bit of power on the Kong blower, but, you know, I mean, you made 735 on a stock blower, besides a snout being ported and everything else done to the car. But you're talking, that thing picked up that much power on just a ported blower. That blows my mind. But, you know, when they had, you know, epoxy the blower and open it all up, and do all kinds of crazy stuff to it, I mean, that doesn't lie. You know what I mean? That's pretty impressive. But, you know, not just really just, you know, peak power, but even your torque, you know, just substantial amount. But, you know, you never think that a port and a blower would pick up that much boost, but we went from essentially 16.5 pounds of boost to almost 20 pounds of boost just by Kong porting that blower. So, I mean, I don't know how you lose with that, man. That's pretty badass if you ask me. You know, from this point on, it's just longevity, you know, beat on it, have fun with it, enjoy it. You know, hope it'll stay together.
Yeah, there was a lot of controversy about the whole epoxy thing. It's still going around.
Hey, epoxy for the win, man! I'm telling you, epoxy for the win. I mean, you've seen it. You know, I know
this is. I mean, this is hard numbers right here. This is. It's hard to argue with the numbers. I mean, I know there's a lot of Jokers fans, DC porting, even a couple faster problems guys. But you know, we're not going on one team or the other. I know I've got Kong here, and this is what we're going with, and this is, you know, it's hard to not be happy with those results. The car feels completely different. Yeah. All right, so those are the results from the dyno. 854 horsepower, 749 torque, which is absolutely, I mean, you can't beat that for a Kong blower. Really highly criticized for all the epoxy that was on it. That's the name of the game, it looks like right now.
Very impressive.
Yeah, we overshot our goal by quite a bit, and with Jeremy tuning it, and LSX Unlimited, if you need anybody to tune your car, LSX Unlimited, Jeremy up there is an awesome guy. He'll take any questions you've got. Highly recommend them. Highly recommend Kong Stage Export. I mean, those are
Epoxy.